Hello and welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're making this delicious Mediterranean style wrap and flatbread. This is a perfect meal for the weeknights because it only takes about 15 to 20 minutes from cutting board to table. Go ahead and sharpen up your knife and let's get ready prepping the fresh ingredients. First up, you're going to finely chop about a half cup of fresh parsley, and then we're going to finely mince half of a red onion. I was definitely crying when I was chopping up this onion. Next up, we need 2 medium-sized Roma tomatoes, and we're going to dice those up. And that is just about all of the fresh ingredient prep. Next up, over medium heat, we're going to heat a cast iron or other kind of skillet. Add a couple tablespoons of olive oil, and just make sure that temperature is nice and warm before we start throwing the ingredients in. First thing in is our red onions, and we're going to cook these for about 3 minutes. Next in, the tomatoes, and I like to season with salt and fresh ground black pepper. Again, we're going to cook for about 3 more minutes once we've added the tomatoes in. Make sure to keep it stirred and keep the food moving in the pan. We don't want anything sticking or burning. It's looking great. Next up, in with 2 cans of cannellini beans. Once again, cook for about 3 minutes, keeping it moving in the pan so nothing sticks, nothing burns, and we're just about done. After 3 minutes, turn off the fire and in with the parsley and squeeze in the juice of half of a fresh lemon. With the fire off, stir this up until the parsley starts to wilt just a little bit. We still want that good color, but we don't want to burn the fresh herbs. Time to assemble our wraps or our flatbread. This is pretty quick and easy. In with about a tablespoon of your favorite type of hummus with our cannellini bean mixture, top with some romaine lettuce, fold that in half. For a wrap, basically the same thing. Just wrap it up as well as you can. Keep things nice, tight, and together. I think it takes it to another level if you go ahead and toast the wrap or the flatbread. I did this over a griddle on medium heat that I sprayed some olive oil spray on. And that's about it. Very delicious, very quick, very easy, very fresh Mediterranean flatbreads, wraps, or even, do these as a lettuce wrap. It's quite delicious, very easy, very inexpensive. Give it a try, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.